Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain about the Node.js interview questions. The first question is, what is Node.js and how it differ from other server-side technologies like PHP? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that lets us to run JavaScript on the server side. It uses Google's V8 engine. It is one of the biggest advantages. Uh, it's is it non-blocking, so it can handle many requests at the same time without slowing down. Compared to PHP, it usually processes one request only at a time. Node.js can manage multiple requests, and whereas Apache is different because it is a web server. It is not a programming language or runtime. So we use Node.js for real-time applications like chat applications, online gaming and live streaming. Next one, what is a callback function in Node.js and why is it used? A callback function is a function that we pass to another function. It's executed after a task is completed. Since Node.js performs tasks like reading files or accessing databases, it does not wait for one task to finish before moving to the next step. Instead of that one task is complete, the callback function is called. This makes the application faster and it prevents from getting blocked while waiting for long operations to finish. The next question is, what is the purpose of the package.json file? Package.json file is likely identity card of a Node.js project. It contains important information about the project, such as its name, version, description, dependencies, and scripts. Whenever we install a package using npm, it's automatically added to the section of this file. It also allows other developers to install all required packages easily by running npm install. Some common properties are name, version, main, scripts, dependencies, and dev dependencies. And the next question is, what is the difference between require and import? Both required and import are used to include modules in a project. The main difference is that to require belongs to the common JS module system. It is the traditional module system used in Node.js. Import belongs to the newer ES modules system introduced in modern JavaScript. In older Node.js projects, we usually see required, while in newer applications and developers prefers import because it is the modern JavaScript standard. So if I am working on a modern project, I would use import, and if I am maintaining an older project, I would use require. The next question is, what is middleware in express.js? Middleware is a function that runs between the client request and the server's response. It can perform tasks like logging requests, checking whether a user is authenticated, or validating input or handling errors before the request reaches the final route. The next question is, what is a RESTful API? How do you create one using Node.js and Express.js? A RESTful API is a way for applications to communicate over HTTP using standard methods. In Node.js, we usually create REST API using Express.js by defining routes for different operations. The main HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete. Get is for retrieve data, and post is for creating new data, and for put is the updating existing data, and for delete is the remove data. For example, if we are building a student management system, we can use get to fetch students, and post to add a student, and put to update student details, and delete to remove a student. The next question is, what is npm and how do you use it? npm stands for Node Package Manager. It's the default package manager for Node.js and it is used to install, update and manage project dependencies. For example, if I need express.js, I can install it using npm install express and it will automatically be added to the package.json file. npm also allows us to run scripts like npm start and manage different versions of packages and making development it much very easier. The next one question is, why is it important to hash hash passwords? Hashing passwords is important because it improves the security of a web application. Instead of storing passwords as a plain text, we can convert them into a hashed value before saving them into a database. Even if someone gains access to the database, they won't be able to see the actual passwords. In Node.js, we commonly use the Bcrypt library for password hashing because it's secure and adds extra protection using a feature called salting. This is considered a best practice in web development and it helps protect user sensitive information. Thank you.